The magic of the broom, history, lore, and spiritual practice. Few tools are as iconic in the realm of magic and folklore as the broom. Known for its practical purpose of cleaning, the broom or the besom, as it is often called in magical traditions, has also long been revered as a powerful symbol of protection, transformation, and spiritual cleansing. The history of the magical broom. The broom has roots stretching back thousands of years. In ancient times, brooms were made from natural materials like birch, willow, or straw, tied to a wooden handle. While its primary function was practical, sweeping floors, the broom gradually began to be associated with rituals, blessings, and household protection. In European folklore, brooms were often linked with witches, not because of flight alone, but because they were considered tools for sweeping away negative energy, preparing sacred spaces, marking boundaries between worlds, and in some traditions, the broom symbolized the union of earth and sky. The wooden handle represent the earthly realm, and the bristles reaching upwards towards spirit. Broom lore. Brooms carry a rich tapestry of stories, customs, and symbolism. They're for protection. Hanging a broom near the front door was believed to ward off evil spirits or unwanted visitors. Blessings and fertility. In some cultures, couples would jump over a broom during a wedding ceremony, symbolizing a new life, domestic harmony, and fertility. Sweeping away negativity, brooms have been used in cleansing rituals to sweep out stagnant energy from homes, sacred spaces, and even gardens. Connection to the element of air. When twirled or swung, the broom's movement was thought to circulate energy, clearing pathways for creativity, inspiration, and divine guidance. When working with the broom in modern magic, today the brooms continue to be a versatile tool in spiritual practice. Number one, cleansing spaces. Use a broom to sweep corners, floors, or altars as a ritual act. Imagine sweeping away negative energies, fear, self doubt, leaving a clear space for intention, joy, and abundance. Creating sacred boundaries. Walking a broom around a room or circle before a ritual can define a sacred boundary, keeping energy contained and focused. Symbol of transformation. The act of sweeping can be a meditation of letting go of the old to welcome in the new. Many practitioners use the broom as a daily reminder to release what no longer serves them. Personal empowerment, crafting your own magical broom adds personal energy and intention. Selecting the wood, the bristles, and embellishments allows you to imbue the room with qualities you wish to strengthen: protection, love, clarity, or abundance. Ritual and ceremony. Brooms are often incorporated into seasonal ceremonies, such as spring cleaning rituals, Samhain rituals, or full moon blessings. They are also celebrated as symbols of feminine power, creativity, and domestic magic. The broom as a spiritual ally. The broom is more than a tool. It is a symbol of transformation and presence. Just as it clears physical spaces, it reminds us to sweep our minds and hearts and spirits of clutter, negativity, stagnation. By working consciously with the broom, we honor both the practical and mystical aspects of life, blending action with intention and everyday living with sacred ritual. We offer broom making workshops, play shops every October at Discover Your Spiritual Gifts. This is an opportunity for you to create your own magical broom. So check out our schedule in October at discoveryourspiritualgifts.com.